Hi, my name is Chris Antes, a personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here at the Conscious Cook Kitchen to show you a great recipe on how to make a Finnish salad. Now, of course, I'm not talking about being done with the salad, but this is from Finland over in the northern Middle Eastern area, and this is a salad of some dill pickles, some honey, and some sour cream, which is a real traditional kind of salad there in Finland. So I've got in the bowl here some sour cream. This is a nice thick kind. That's the way they like it up there. And then very simply, we're going to put some honey in there. So I've got about a quarter cup of the sour cream. And I'm adding just a nice big tablespoon of honey. And mix that around. Okay. And then I have some dill pickle here that I've just sliced up. You could dice it up if you'd like. But I figured this is how they like it there in Finland. Okay, now just going to mix that together. Okay, so then the dressing is done, and we're just going to finish that off with a little bit of some romaine lettuce. All right. So this is a great salad if you're having a little Sunday brunch. Maybe you've got some smoked salmon there. Then this would be a perfect little salad to accompany it. And I gotta say, you know, not something you'll see everywhere, so definitely it's something to each their own, but I guarantee if people are adventurous and liking to try different things, then this Finnish salad would be great. Okay, so there we go. Again, it's a Finnish salad with some dill pickles, some honey, and sour cream.